Hey,
Have you heard of Simply Earth's Women's Wellness Cheat Sheet?
you are gonna love this recipe that comes from our Women's Wellness Cheat Sheet, where we teach you how to use essential oils to support your wellness.
I'm Summer,
And I'm Katie.
and we're certified aromatherapists.
We work with Simply Earth and we love teaching people how to use essential oils. In this video, we're gonna show you how to make our Women's Wellness Blend that you can use in a diffuser or a roll-on, or you can use it a bunch of different ways. To make this recipe, we are going to start by making a master blend, and we can use this master blend for all kinds of things. And we're gonna start with 25 drops of frankincense, 25 drops of ginger,
And then we're going to add 44 drops of lemon and then 6 drops of peppermint.
So we've got a Simply Earth 5 ml amber bottle here, and all we need to do is add the essential oils.
Yeah. So we've got ginger. We know that ginger is a really strong powerhouse, whether it's dealing with some upset stomach or whether there's any level of motion sickness. We know that ginger is our go-to for making sure that your stomach functions at its best. And similarly for our frankincense, its aroma is also really soothing and woody. It's very calming, and I mean, for those of you that have been mothers, you know that can be really helpful to have those calming aromas. So next we're gonna add in these 44 drops of lemon essential oil. So according to a study that we're going to link below, there was a study done that showed that if women inhaled lemon essential oil for 30 minutes a day, that their morning sickness symptoms slightened or decreased in comparison to the placebo group.
And you can learn more about that study in the blog post that we've linked.
And then we also have our peppermint essential oil, and we're gonna do 6 drops of this. And peppermint is super bright, uplifting, and similar to ginger, it has that powerhouse that promotes stomach wellness, where if your tummy's feeling upset or out of whack, that adding some peppermint could help support during those times of unease. Then we wanna shake, shake, shake for 30 seconds. So then you want to create your label.
So once it's all mixed up, make sure to put a label on it. You don't want to lose track of this amazing blend. It's like citrusy, but I can smell, but also earthy at the same time with the frankincense and ginger.
Yeah. Nice. I wouldn't say the ginger is overpowering though, which is nice. So now with this blend that we just made, we are going to create a roll-on that will help promote morning wellness. So we're gonna take the lid off, take off that little roller guide, and then we will put only 2 drops in here. And then we will add our fractionated coconut oil.
So when you're experiencing morning sickness, like you're pregnant, you really want to use a low dilution rate, which is why we only have 2 drops in here of essential oil. That's going to help keep you and your baby safe. But it is important not to use essential oils during your first trimester. And then you'll want to shake it to mix it up really well.
And then just to be able to keep track of your roll-on recipes, we recommend putting a label on it.
This Women's Wellness Roll-On is super good for soothing nausea associated with morning sickness, but it's really important that if you are pregnant, you talk to a doctor before using essential oils, and make sure you're using a really low dilution rate. That's why we only have 2 drops of essential oil in this roll-on.
So for this roll-on, the best way that we found to use it is either putting it on your pulse points and then inhaling. Otherwise, you could also roll it across your abdomen, and then that should also help support you during those times of morning sickness associated with pregnancy.
And don't forget about your master blend. You can use this right in the diffuser to help uplift you and soothe morning sickness. For more ways to use essential oils, check out the links in the description. You can get everything you need to make this recipe at simplyearth.com.
For more fun recipes, check out simplyearth.com/box.
Thanks for watching.